All right, you're walking through your store. You've got a new customer. It's one of those price guy customers that are asking the prices on everything. How much is this? How much is that? This is how I handle it. What I do is I tell them, hey, I'm just going to quote you MSRP on everything. I can do better at the register. All deals happen at the register, and that's kind of how I steer them toward the register. Because the last thing you want to do is have them have a bunch of prices in their mind, add it up, because this will get expensive in a hurry if you let your customer do that. Now, if they don't get the hint after a couple times, try this. When they say, hey, how much is this? You go, how many do you want? That way, they stop asking you the price because you start to make them feel a little smaller. All right, it may not be the best approach, but at least it keeps them focused on buying the things that they need instead of the price. Remember, always replace their price concern with something else. Get them excited about their new equipment. Get them excited about how their equipment's going to solve their problems. Get them to focus on anything other than the price. They're in your store. Trust me, they want to buy your equipment. They're in your store. All you have to do is make that deal happen. Keep them excited about the product, not quite so focused on the price, and you'll make more deals happen.